Bhuachin cóig seachgan an Gaelic, rucantaia caran ALBA, agus sai amahir spring, na chuilean an àlainn seo ar an nún lá.
Oh my goodness, it's puppy heaven. Dúis gacharstin, waking up. I'll close this gate. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? You're stealing something from my pocket. Oi. Oi. Oh my goodness, how many can I hold all at once? They're quite chunky wee pups.
We want them to be nice and chunky because they have the growth spurts. They're on 4 feeds a day.
Oh. What's that?
A nuri hain, chai chimichal mila golden retriever every.
Oi, you're biting my toes.
A cíalacha gyfalet a meisc na cóig seoisichan de cháneas má ar a bhfuil féil ann an ALBA.
That's an orange. She's usually the wild one as well.
She's still zonked.
Ha na chuilean an seo mia nach dorcha, ach fuirtí an dionagachcha a bhí chobáin rí uachgar, neo dorcha ruag.
It's puppy mayhem.
Their temperaments are wonderful, very gentle and loving.
Aye.
And they're quite tuned in as well, so if you're having a bad day, they know it and they'll be there to support you. Yeah, lots of cuddles. Just a great family pet.
Full of spores. What are you doing round there? Hey, ow!
Sanna ta úsachan a hanig an golden retriever, féimi me barach rúriche dhéanú ar a sin.
Well, thank you for letting me come amongst
It's a
this
pleasure.
bonkers little pen full of the most cute little bundles ever.
I think they had fun too.